Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and today I'm going to unbox these Dungeons and Dragons stickers that I'm going to give to my students when I start teaching this week on Wednesday. So it's a new 6-week course, and let's go right into the video. I love these unboxing videos, so I'm going to show you, and look how professional I am on that transition, what these are, because there's 100 of them, and I'm sure you guys are as curious as I am to see what's in here. So I'm going to open this up real nicely. And thank you everybody for subscribing to the channel. You're supporting me. You're supporting the kids. I teach D&D to kids in order to get them off their screens. It looks like they're in packs of 50 and learn how to communicate with each other, right? So like that's an important thing, I think. That's a skill that I think might have been a little bit lost during COVID, that we're trying to like teach these kids like life skills. And all right, I'm going to have to repackage these after I open this up, it looks like, because I just destroyed that. Oh, no, I didn't. All right, cool. All right, let's do this one first. Anyway, I have a Patreon now, and we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel since we're right around 16,000 subscribers, and we could use the support, me and my wife, when I say we. All right, cool. So I could quit my day job. All right. What do you want? How do you want to do this? The famous Matt Mercer line around a D20. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Black Cat with a D20. Dungeons and Dragons in blue font. You can barely see it. But a couple of like Asian looking dragons, which are cool. I like the Western dragons and the Asian Dragons. This says Dungeon Master. So that's pretty cool. And this is an interesting piece of artwork. You tell me what that is. Kind of like, I don't know, it could be like an Escher. Oh, the old Dungeons and Dragons role-playing game logo, and pretty cool looking art there. D20 with a dragon wrapped around it and a bunch of weapons and alchemical things. Dungeon Master, welcome to my world. Please don't ask why. Mushrooms, D20. Poisonous mushrooms, it looks like. Warlock. It's like a kind of a yin-yang like motif here with the dice. 21 dungeons, dragons. Pretty cool. All right, Artificer, D8, Fighter. Nice D20, the dragon. Bard. I love playing bards. What's your favorite class? Put it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. All right, some crystals, some roses. Warlock, another warlock one. I am a druid by nature. Get it? Nature, druid. Another warlock symbol. This looks like a bunch of different chromatic dragons. Very cool. White, red, blue, green, black. Black dragons have the weirdest horns. All right. Gone Rogue. This one. Dungeon Master. Looks like Skeletor. The Masters of the Universe movie is coming out in a couple months. What do you guys think about that? Did you guys watch that when you were kids? I guess if you're old enough to have been around a kid in the 80s. Into the Feywild. Dungeons and Dragons sticker. Another one. Weaver of Destinies. Dungeon Master. Weaver of Destinies. Here, let's go through these real quick. Let's roll. Lots of D8s there. And this is the characters from the original cartoon from the 80s. The Dungeons and Dragons cartoon from like 1984. Pretty cool. D. Paladin. I have a paladin I've been playing lately. His name is Sir Psycho Sexy from like the Red Hot Chili Peppers song. Druid. I played druids before. Sorcerer. Sorcerer's short rest. If you're going to have a lot of short rests, sorcerers make a lot of sense. Do not meddle in the affairs of dragons, for you are crunchy and taste good with ketchup. Displacer Beast. That was great in the movie when we saw the Displacer Beast in the arena, in the Dungeons and Dragons movie, Honor Among Thieves, which I heard they're going to make a sequel and they're going to make a series on Paramount. If you guys know anything about that, put that in the comments below. Don't hate the flaya, hate the game. Mind flaya instead of playa. Smoky Dragon. It's kind of like a new agey D20. Another D20. These are going to be great on my water bottle. Dungeon Master. When the Dungeon Master asks me to describe my mount. Unicorn. Dungeons and Dragons fantasy role-playing game. Good artwork. I am a thief. I am a knight in the dark. I am a leaf on the wind. If you know where I am a leaf on the wind comes from, put it in the comments below. That's how I roll. The Dragon's Flagon Tavern. I might leave that one out. We don't want to promote drinking among the middle-aged kids, so we'll take that one out. Dungeons and Birds. Interesting. I don't know what this is. Does anybody know what this is? You know what this is? Tell me. Okay. It's a D10. Chaotic Stupid. Only you can prevent dungeon fires, owlbear. This guy needs a D20. Knight. Dungeon Master with a skull. That's pretty cool. Dungeons and Ferrets. Oh, man. That's too funny. Bard. D20 with blue dragons. Ranger. The Fox. Wow, look at this artwork. This is great stuff. It's like William S. Burroughs kind of covers. Really neat. All right. Ranger Danger. It's the DnD logo, but with some flower motifs. Paladin. Looks like this stack is a lot of different classes. Teller of Tales, Weaver of Worlds. Cleric. Yeah, kids don't generally play clerics. It's interesting. Bard, Master of Song. Okay. D&D logo with crossed swords. I love that. Ooh, nifty. Potion bottle. D20 with a key on it. And a lot of gold. D20 with a winged helmet. Crit fail. Awesome Dads explore dungeons and slay dragons. Dungeons and Dragons for all ages. Again, with the cast. There's a lot of the ones with the cast here. It's pretty cool. Oh, cute little dragon with a die. My role in life. Number 1. There we go. Aries. Guess we're doing zodiac stuff. Beware of the fairies. Yeah, do beware of them. They're depicted in like Celtic folklore not being very nice. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Kind of a goth dungeon master thing going on there. Sleepy dragon. Experience tranquility. Whack. It's a monk. Blacks and Dragons. What's this? Oh, I dropped one. Oh, was this one? Warlock. Artificer. Cute. D20. Roll like a girl. Rogues like it's stealthy. Artificer gears there. That's pretty cool. Dungeon Master. It's just a really cool looking D20. Another D20 with a dragon. Treasure. Nice. Beware of the smiling DM and then Barbarian. Okay, so that was the first 50, I think it was. Yeah, because this says right here, I'll put the description, or the link, 200. Yeah, I was going to say, that's 100 stickers, and we still got another bag. So I'll do another video with this bag. I don't want to bore you guys, but like, yeah, 200 stickers for like, I think it was $8.99. How can you beat that, really? These kids are going to love this. But I'm going to dole them out in small amounts. Otherwise, you know what I mean? Like, they'll just go, take all of them. So we'll give them out as like rewards, and yeah, we'll have fun with this. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys like the videos that I make about how to teach kids D&D. I think it's important to pay attention to our youth and make sure that they have a good time. The tools that they need in order to be able to conduct themselves in a social environment, because I think with the advent of AI and automation and a lot of these jobs are going to be, the technical jobs that people are doing right now are going to be automated out. So I think interpersonal skills are going to be really vital. And if you think so too, tell me in the comments. I'd love to talk about this some more. I do have some videos about that. Subscribing to the channel helps me. And again, we have a Patreon now. So I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and I have some merch too. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Sorry for all the self-promotion, but I'm working for myself now. So we got to get it done. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care.